Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about setting up HP all-in-one computer. Please follow the steps now. Setting up an HP all-in-one computer is typically straightforward. Here's a general guide to help you through the process. 1. Unboxing. Carefully unpack the computer and ensure that all the components are present. This usually includes the all-in-one unit itself, a power cable, a keyboard, a mouse, and any documentation or setup guides. 2. Placement. Choose a suitable location for your all-in-one computer. Make sure there's enough space for the unit and that it's placed on a stable surface.
3. Connections. Connect the power cable to the computer and plug it into a power outlet. If your all-in-one computer has any additional peripherals like speakers or external drives, you'll want to connect those as well. 4. Power on. Press the power button on the computer to turn it on. You may need to hold the button for a few seconds depending on the model.
5. Initial setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the initial setup process. This usually involves selecting your language, region, and connecting to a Wi-Fi network if applicable. You may also be prompted to create or sign in with a user account. 6. Software updates. Once the initial setup is complete, it's a good idea to check for any software updates. This can help ensure that your computer has the latest security patches and performance improvements.
7. Customization. Take some time to customize your computer to your preferences. This may include adjusting display settings, installing additional software, and personalizing your desktop. 8. Explore. Finally, take some time to explore your new all-in-one computer. Familiarize yourself with the various features and applications, and don't hesitate to reach out for help if you have any questions or run into any issues. If you encounter any specific challenges or need further assistance during the setup process, feel free to ask.